From the Dreamy Leads Research Desk, homeowners insurance can swing from about $2,000 a year to over $11,000 for a similar house, depending mostly on where it sits. Here is what actually drives the price, the one coverage setting that matters most, and how to find the best policy in 2026. A homeowner's policy bundles four things: the structure itself, called dwelling coverage, your belongings, liability if someone is hurt on your property, and living expenses if you are displaced. The number that matters most is the dwelling limit, and it should equal the cost to rebuild your home, not its market value. This is general information, not advice. Location is the biggest driver. In a high-risk state like Florida, homeowners pay about $4,231 a year on average, and it ranges from around $2,000 inland to over $11,000 on the coast because insurers price catastrophe risk and reinsurance in hot zones runs 40 to 60% above the national average. Beyond location, the big factors are roof age. An older roof can add a 15 to 25% surcharge or get you non-renewed, plus your claim history and your deductible type. In hurricane zones, the wind deductible is a percentage of your insured value, often 2 to 5%, not a flat dollar amount. Here is the setting that matters most. Replacement cost pays to rebuild at today's prices. Actual cash value subtracts depreciation, so an older roof might pay out pennies on the dollar. Replacement cost costs a little more upfront and is almost always worth it. This is general information, not advice. To find the best policy, compare on the same dwelling limit and deductible across at least 3 insurers. Ask specifically about wind and roof deductibles, bundle with auto if it lowers the total, and reshop every year or two. In insurance, loyalty rarely pays. This is general information, not advice. Bottom line, the best homeowner's policy is not the cheapest. It is the one that will actually rebuild your home when you need it. Set the dwelling limit to rebuild cost, choose replacement cost coverage, and compare apples to apples. This is general information, not advice. General information, not professional financial, tax, legal, or insurance advice. Run your own Florida numbers on the Dreamy Leads Financial Data Explorer. Dreamy Leads may earn a commission through partner links. It never changes the numbers.